Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful.
Let us solve today's DC using Python programming language. The program must accept an n cross n integer matrix and print yes if any row is identical with any one column in the matrix. Else we have to print no. The program has to accept n cross n integer matrix and print yes if any one row is identical with any one column in the matrix, else print no. Now let us consider for our first test case. Here this is the matrix of size 4 cross 4 and these are the rows. Now for checking identical, first we will write the transpose of this matrix, so it will be easy for us to compare. So 2 3 6 7 3 5 10 9 4 10 8 1 8 2 sorry 5 9 8 1. Now first row 2 3 4 5 2 3 4 5 which is not present in the second matrix. Now the next row 3 5 10 9. Now the next row 3 5 10 9. So it is present here, present in second matrix, so S will be printed as our output. Now let us check for our second test case. This is the matrix, so first we will write the transpose of this matrix 4 1 4 5 3 5 3 3 1. Now 4 5 3 is not present in the second matrix. 1 3 3, here 1 3 3 is present as 3 3 1, which is the reverse of 1 3 3. So it will be considered, so S will be printed as our output. Now let us check for our third test case. In this test case there is no any identical row or column, so no will be printed as our output. Now let us see the pseudocode for this program. First we must accept the input, that is integer n, and then another input, that is n cross n matrix, and let us have a variable called a transpose which stores the transpose of the matrix. So transpose is equal to list of row for row in zip of star matrix. This zip of star matrix returns the triplets in transpose form. So we are splitting it using list function here. Now let us have a for loop for iterating over the rows. So for row in matrix, and you have to check whether it is in transpose or not. If row in transpose or row of reverse -1 in transpose, so it can be also reversed, which is also considered. So row of reverse is also in transpose, then we have to print yes and break statement, and finally for this for you have to have a else condition, print no.